Anyways, if you didn't already know, Budapest is really well known for its thermal waters. There's tons of natural hot springs full of really good minerals that are great for your skin. I'm currently at one of the lesser known options, at least for tourists. As you might be able to tell, it's super popular with locals. This is Palatinus Baths on Margaret Island. Entry here is just about $8.50, which is incredible, and it's even less if you stay for less than 3 hours. They have a wide variety of pools. The one I'm in right now is one of the traditional warm mineral-fed pools, but they do have pools that range from temperature from about 75 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 25 to 36 or so in Celsius. Some of them are just for soaking, like the one I'm in now, but others are for playing. So we've got some kids' pools, just some fun themed pools for kids and adults, a wave pool, and even a couple of water slides. There's also some sunbathing terraces, a beer garden, some street food that you can choose from. So it's really a place you could spend the entire day if you really wanted to. Anyways, this should definitely be on your bucket list next time you come to Budapest. Hope you have a great time, and as for me, I want to dive right in.